Hello, in front of me I've got Cat S53. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app. And thanks to Files app, you've got access to your internal storage, downloads, recents, images, videos, audio, documents, and internal storage itself. If you go to Files by Google, you've got also access to Nearby Share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, Browse, Clean, and Trash Can. Thanks to Clean, you can clean junk files from your smartphone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.